gentlemen, now we show you the safety features on board. We would appreciate your attention. Take care when opening the overhead bins in case any items fall out. Also, use the space under the seat in front of you for stowing your carry-on baggage. Please fasten your seatbelt and check that it is tight. To unfasten your seatbelt, simply pull up the flap. As turbulence can occur unexpectedly at any time, you are required to fasten your seatbelt whenever you are seated. This is in the interests of your own safety. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. Illuminated strips on the floor of the aircraft will guide you to these exits. These exits are equipped with evacuation slides which you can use to leave the aircraft in an emergency. Leave your hand luggage on board. In the unlikely event of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above you. Pull the mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose with the mask and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head. Then help any children and fellow passengers who require assistance. There is a life vest at every seat. In first class, you will find your life vest under the armrest. In business class and in premium economy class, it is also stored under the armrest. In economy class, your life vest is located under the seat. If instructed to do so by the crew, pull your life vest over your head. Pass the belt around your waist and fasten the clasp. Then pull the belt tight. Just before you leave the aircraft, pull the red toggle to inflate the vest. If necessary, use the red tube. The lamp lights up automatically in contact with water. This flight is a no-smoking flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited at all times while on board this aircraft. For takeoff and landing, you're required to place any devices with a transmission function in flight mode or switch them off completely. You can use the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth function during your stay on board. Kindly listen for announcements by the crew. Laptops and other similarly heavy items must be stowed safely for takeoff and landing. The use of transmission equipment and remote-controlled toys is forbidden for the entire time you are on board. If your electronic device falls into any part of your seat that is not accessible, please call a flight attendant instead of adjusting the seat yourself. Adjusting the seat position can damage your device and the battery can become a fire hazard. If an electronic device is damaged, overheats or emits smoke, contact a crew member immediately. Please take some time to read through the information in the Lufthansa magazine and in the safety instructions which you can find at your seat. Safety instructions also show the safety position that you should adopt in the event of an emergency landing. Your cabin attendants will also be happy to help you. We're now ready for takeoff, so please ensure that your table, the monitor and leg rest are stowed and secured correctly. Make sure that your backrest is in an upright position and your window shade open. We are required by law to inform you that you must observe all signs and follow any instructions given by the crew.
Dieses Flugzeug ist mit Flynet ausgestattet. Achten Sie auf die Ansagen der Crew, die Sie informieren, wenn WLAN-Hotspot und Mobilfunknetz zur Verfügung stehen. Informationen zu diesen Angeboten finden Sie